In this video, we're going to focus on finding the cube of a binomial under special products. So it is in the form, the quantity of a plus b cube. So hindi gaya sa square of a binomial na maaari mo na siyang i-direct na kunin yung product, dito ay hindi mo siya pwedeng gayahin. So in order to solve for the product of the cube of a binomial, kailangan mo munang hanapin ang square nito. Since magkakapareho lang naman na terms, in expanded form, ganito ang itsura niya. So, ang first procedure ay kailangan mong hanapin ang product muna nito at saka mo pwedeng i-multiply dito. And that will give us the cube of a binomial. So, we're going to have an example para mas madali ninyong maintindihan. So, we'll have this, x plus 2 cube. Expanding muna. X plus 2, x plus 2. Ayan. Now, we're going to find the square of this, or the product of these two terms. So, multiplying x times x will give us x squared. X times 2 will give us 2x. 2 times x will give us 2x. And 2 times 2 will give us 4. So, pagsasamahin na natin, x squared, 2x plus 2x will give us 4x and 4. So, itong equation na to, ito na ang imumultiply natin sa isa pang x plus 2. Now, using the big method, kukunin na natin ang product nitong dalawang equation na to. So, x times x squared will give us x cubed. Next one, x times 4x will give us 4x squared. Next, x times 4 will give us 4x. So, next ulit, 2 times x squared will give us 2x squared. 2 times 4x will give us 8x. And lastly, 2 times 4 will give us 8. So, aayusin natin. X cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x squared plus 4x plus and plus 8. Combining like terms, x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x squared will give us 6x squared. Lastly, bringing down, positive 8 is equal to 0. So, now, ito na ang cube of a binomial. So, another example, we're going to expand it first. 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. First procedure, finding the product of these two. So, 2x times 2x will give us 4x squared. Next, 2x times negative 3 will give us negative 6x. Next one, negative 3 times 2x also give us negative 6x. And lastly, negative 3 times negative 3 will give us 9. Arranging, 4x squared, negative 6 plus negative 6 will give us negative 12x and 9. So, ayan, imumultiply natin ito dito sa last term of the binomial of the cube. Using the big method ulit, kukunin na natin ang cube ng binomial. So, 2x times 4x squared will give us 8x cubed. Next one, 2x times negative 12x will give us negative 24x squared. Lastly, 2x times 9 will give us 18x. Next part, negative 3 times 4x squared will give us negative 12x squared. Next one, negative 3 times negative 12x will give us positive 36x. Lastly, negative 3 times 9 will give us negative 27. Arranging the terms, 8x cubed minus 24x squared plus 18 minus 12x squared plus 36x minus 27. Solving, combining like terms, 8x squared minus 24 plus 12, negative 12 is equal to 36x squared. 18 plus 36 is equal to 54x, and lastly 27 is equal to 0. So the answer for this cube of a binomial is 8x cubed minus 36x squared plus 54x minus 27.